Dad, can I have some ice cream?
No, buddy, it's almost time for bed.
Don't let this happen to you. I'm gonna teach you how to get what you want from your parents. Let's do that again. Dad, I really missed you today. Can we share a bowl of ice cream and talk about our day?
Sure, buddy.
Yes. You gotta figure out what's important to your parents. For Dad, it's quality time. And for Mom, it's something else. Mom, can I play my video game?
Honey, you already played your video game today.
Let's do that again. Mama, can I do that for you so you can take a nap?
That is so sweet of you. Yes, thank you, honey. Thank you. I love you.
And when I'm done, I'll gladly play my video game. Just because it works for me doesn't mean it's gonna work for you. You gotta figure it out yourself. Got it? Got it. Go get it. Hey, Dad, will you play with fire?
What?
Beginners. Dad, can I have some ice cream?
No, buddy, it's almost time for bed.
Don't let this happen to you.